Hi, I'm Héloïse Aubry. I'm 16 years old. I live in France and I'm applying for the best job in the world. I like being here to read. It's relaxing and calm. My grandfather had a farmer. That's why I like animals like horses, or goats, or cows, or even monkeys. I can fish. I'm a sporty person. I play football. I ski. I played handball for 6 years. I love travel. I was 6 when I went in Paris for the first time. And last year I was in London and in Germany. The most important thing for me is my family.
Hey, it's me! I practice theater every Thursday, so let's go!
I like being here to read. It's relaxing and calm. You're my cousin. I love my family.